Each and every one of you, seriously, like you mean the world to me. Coming along and giving this guy that you didn't even know the day before, you didn't know me, but then you're listening to me. Next thing you know, you're giving my programs a chance. Next thing you know, you're like, wait a minute, what? Where has this guy been? What have I been doing for the last several decades? So thank you, means the world. Means the world. So, here's the message. I get people, I'm talking all the time. In person, online, direct message, email, phone consultations. You name it. They come along like, I'm not getting results. I try so hard. And every time I try, I don't get results, and I can't seem to get over the hump. And I'm like, wait a minute. What do you mean you can't get results? And then every time you try, explain to me what it is when you say you can't get results every time you try. There shouldn't be like every time you try, unless you're trying all the wrong methods. You're trying things that you should not be doing, that are inappropriate for a person like you. Now, keep in mind, context, I'm speaking to somebody one at a time, okay? That's how the conversation starts. And then I go, look, explain to me what you mean by every time I try. So, some of you will know what I'm talking about. Every time I try. Oh, I try to hit program. In person or on a video or some internet like copycat. They're copying each other. They're just copying stuff, and they'll dress differently. They'll give it a different, flashy name. They're all copying each other. It's all the same. How many burpees can you do? And then they want to add weight and a weighted vest to the already stupid burpees. Like, that's just one tiny example. Don't get me started. So they'll try the HIIT program. Then they'll go to like a military style boot camp, right? High intensity boot camp. Then that doesn't work out. They go hire a trainer, a local trainer, to put them through the weight routines and the stack machines and the progressive overloads. And they put them on this crazy diet to feed the muscles. You gotta have the proteins, and you can't go 90 minutes without eating, otherwise you're gonna go into starvation mode, and it's gonna eat away at your muscles that you're trying to build, and your metabolism's gonna shut down. No. And then they say, oh, you're doing too much cardio. Your adrenals are on overload. Your adrenals are shutting down, or the cortisol's going too high. It's all nonsense. It's all smoke and mirrors. All they're doing is confusing you even more. It's all BS, trust me. It's a freaking joke. But they don't know what they don't know. So what are you gonna do, right? So these people, then they'll try like, oh, I did the off the couch 5K thinking I would lose weight like that and tone up. Then I joined the Zumba thing, and we did Zumba for 8 weeks. And then, that was okay, but then I started getting burnt out. My hips were starting to hurt me. And then I went and I tried these intense fire classes at the gym. We were doing, this high intensity combined with weights and cardio machines, and all high intensity, because you're supposed to be in the red zone to burn the fat. If you're not in the red zone, you're not burning fat. What red zone? Who makes this up? And then people believe it? Come on now, like seriously, do you ever see me in the freaking red zone? All of you making progress, do I ever push you in the red zone? Where even is that? Like, what? With the TV screens and all this stuff, and put it on your watch, the app, get in the red zone? I got your red zone right there. So, these people come to me. They're confused. They're so frustrated because they've tried everything, and not only do they not get results, or like they'll get a little bit, but then they're like, oh, my shoulders are hurting me, my back is hurting me, my neck is hurting me, I'm not sleeping good, this isn't fitness supposed to help me like sleep better and feel better, but it's doing the opposite, right? And then they're like, you know what, this isn't worth it. Like my body is really not changing. Like, yeah, I lost 5 pounds. Some people even gain weight. You're like, I give up, right? Because who wouldn't give up? So they come to me because it's like, they still want answers. They still want to figure this out, and rightfully so. So I explain to them, here's why all those things are not working for you and didn't work for you, and they don't work for most of your friends, right? You know, like all your friends or most of your friends have tried that stuff. Same thing for them, right? Most of them, they're done. Those things didn't work out for them. And I explain to them the real way that the body wants to be treated from the inside out for all the right reasons, and that we create a program for them based on our full spectrum of methods that's gentle, sustainable on the body and the mind and the spirit, doable, and wildly effective. Wildly effective. That's the confusing part. When we explain, we're going to make this all easier, gentler, more enjoyable. You're going to like doing this. You're going to look forward to it. Your body's going to start changing. You're going to start feeling better. And you're going to get better results than you've ever gotten. They're like, well, this doesn't make any sense. It's almost too good to be true. And it almost is. I mean, if I was out there beating myself up, I would think it's too good to be true too, after I've tried all the nonsense and the hyped up programs and the copycat programs and the people who look like they know what they're doing, but they really don't know they don't know what they don't know. I can't even talk. They look like they know what they're doing because they got like this 25-year-old genetic body, but in reality, they're just copycat, rehashing, recycling material that everybody else is putting out there. Nothing original, nothing different. Same body bashing stuff that everybody else is doing. But I bring the truth. You know why? Because this OG has been at this for quite some time, my friend. I've been at this since I was a little kid, thanks to my dad. Went to school for all this, bachelor's degree, master's degree. And then as time went on, I've always questioned things. That's my nature. I'm going to question things and ponder things. Look at things a little differently than most people are. That's part of how we got here. It's part of how we got here. Okay? And I explain this to people. Put them at ease. Let them know, hey, this confusion, the frustration, the setbacks, it's really not your fault. You trusted people to give you the answers, but they really didn't have the answers. They only had the answers that were with them at the time. They didn't know any better. Again, they don't know what they don't know. But I'm here to bring you what I know and the truths that I've lived through and the truths that I bring my clients, my Total Access members, even my freebie programs. We put the truth in there to let people have a taste of the truth and see for themselves, whoa, maybe we're onto something here. Maybe this guy's stuff really is different and effective. Maybe, just maybe. So that's the gist. We get people straightened out in the head, let them know their past is gone. We're going to give them the new material. We're going to give them the body-mind reset. We give them the body-mind reset, and then we set the stage for new success, real success, sustainable success that can be followed for life. Followed for life. And that's the message I have for you. Clear up the confusion. Stop being frustrated. Stop following all the other programs, jumping around, like I was saying before, doing HIIT, doing boot camp, going with the trainer, lifting the heavy weights in the machines, and then going to do something else, and then doing Zumba fire dance, and then doing all these insane, high-intensity, crazy kick fire programs with all these DVDs coming out. They're flooding the internet, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You see all the commercials. You see everybody moving silly fast. That's a sign to run the other way. When you see people moving fast, you see them jumping around, you see them quick motions, Run the other way, walk the other way. You don't have to run. We walk, we strut, we stroll. Because we can do that and we still get the results. We trek, treadmill trek. You know what I'm talking about. And that's how we change somebody's fate. That's how we turn the tables for somebody that's been going the wrong direction. We flip it on its head. Get everybody pointing in the right direction. And that's how we make things happen. And that's the message. So, I'm going to answer a couple questions here. That's right, Lauren Lily's going to do the model walk on the treadmill trek. That we're going to need to see. Definitely. Tracy Hilton, Lesson Duel. Where's the freebie program? Can I link for a week? Yeah, we got you back. Hashtag freebies. If the fitness nurse doesn't get it for you, I'll get it to you later. And my age, I guess we should just come clean with that. 51. Actually, yeah, 51 next month. Woo, woo. 51 next month. 5'1" on a good day. 5'1" on a good day. 100 and maybe I might be at around like 132 now. 132 pounds. 15-ish% body fat. Those are the winter stats. Those are the winter stats. Let's see if we got any last questions here before I wrap it up. Lots of good stuff here. Lots of good stuff. You're all awesome. You're all awesome. Love yous. Love yous to death. Thank you. All right, so hashtag freebies will get you the freebies. One of us will get them for you. Come join the group. Make sure you come join our free group. Whether you're watching this live or on the replay or on YouTube, post below or above, depending on where you are. Tell us you'd like to get into the group and you want the freebies, okay? And that's it. Like, I can seriously, you know what it is? I'll tell you what it is, why I can keep talking. Because I was a guest on a podcast last week, but I haven't done my own podcast in several months. But don't worry, everybody, because trust us, it's coming. We got a bunch of cool episodes lined up. We're just trying to match up schedules and workloads so that my co-host can help me get these done and get them out there, and then we'll get on a regular schedule of new podcasts. And they're gonna be good. They're gonna be worth the wait. Trust us. You're gonna love them. All right. As always, peace, love, and light. Keep letting your light shine bright. I already did the fighting motion, so I'll give you a slow motion here. Keep fighting that good fight because you're worth it. Have an awesome, beautiful, peaceful, and blessed night. Love you.